Hey guys!
Hi.
It's Josh.
And Hannah.
And we were just working at a school and they canceled school.
Literally 20 minutes into it.
Snow day!
Snow day!
Snow day! And we're out in the middle of a field and it's a blizzard out there. We're going to take you out there in a blizzard and we thought it'd be fun if we would find a geocache. Well, we'll just show you what it looks like out there for a second. Here we go. Check this out. Oh yeah, blowing snow. We thought it'd be cool to show you real Minnesota blizzard geocaching. And I want you to pay attention and watch Hannah's hair as she goes out into this
going to do beautiful
wind.
things.
You're probably not going to be able to hear us either because it's going to be so windy. It's going to sound like this. All right, Hannah, go out there. How is it out there?
Great. I can see a lot.
How are the weather conditions?
Weather conditions are slightly windy, a little bit cold. I can see clearly though. It's working really well. My hair is doing beautiful things.
All right, here we are. Around the blizzard. Going into the ditch. Hannah, do you want to continue?
I can get my leg out.
You just rolled in the snow. I can't believe you did that.
I'm a trooper, man.
Right. It's a blizzard! All right, here we go. 52 feet. You doing okay? Wait, let's see. Maybe, possibly. Did you bring the pen? I found it! We found it! Come on!
I don't have the pen. I've got a lipstick.
All right, we'll sign it with lipstick.
Alright.
There it is, we found it.
Here it
You
is.
just took the lid off.
Sorry.
You are a strong young woman.
I broke it.
All right.
Okay.
It's a pen. It's a pen. It was really funny when you fell in the snow. I got the eye of the tiger. Here we go. Here we go.
Definitely worth it.
So worth it. Okay. This was the smartest, dumbest thing I've ever done. I died in a Minnesota pit. Hey guys, thanks for watching this crazy, windy geocaching adventure. If this is your first time watching one of our geocaching vlogs, make sure you click that subscribe button over my eyes so you can watch more of our adventures. There are hundreds of different geocaching videos on this YouTube channel, so we encourage you to check them out. Also, we have a brand new Twitter @geocachingvlogs. See you next time, guys.